Get Rich with Dividends by Marc Lichtenfeld, The Path to Financial Freedom and Wealth. In a world where financial independence can seem like a distant dream, Get Rich with Dividends by Marc Lichtenfeld offers a practical, easy-to-follow blueprint that can help anyone, from beginners to experienced investors, achieve wealth and financial freedom. Whether you're looking to retire early or simply create a consistent income stream, dividend investing could be the key, and Marc shows you exactly how to get there. In this video, we're diving deep into the game-changing principles behind dividend investing and why it's one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. Here's what you'll discover in this video. 1. What are dividends and why do they matter? You've probably heard of dividends, but do you really know how powerful they can be? Dividends are cash payments made by companies to their shareholders, and in this video, we'll explain why they're so important to long-term investors. Not only do dividends provide steady income, but they also signal financial health and stability in companies. 2. The power of dividend growth. One of the core concepts of Get Rich with Dividends is the power of dividend growth. Marc Lichtenfeld doesn't just want you to collect dividends, he wants you to understand how to build a portfolio of stocks that consistently grow their payouts over time. We'll explore how dividend growth can accelerate your returns and the compounding effect that can significantly increase your wealth over the years. 3. How to build a dividend-paying portfolio. Lichtenfeld's strategies don't stop at simply choosing any dividend-paying stocks. He offers a step-by-step guide to identifying the best companies for long-term dividend income. We'll walk you through his proven criteria for picking stocks that are not only paying dividends now but are set to continue growing for years to come. Whether you're looking for reliable blue-chip stocks or high-yield opportunities, we've got you covered. 4. Reinvesting dividends, the secret to exponential growth. What if I told you that reinvesting your dividends could change your financial future? In this video, we'll talk about why reinvestment is the key to harnessing the full potential of dividends. You'll learn how to use your earnings to buy more shares, which in turn generate more dividends. This snowball effect is the ultimate strategy for building massive wealth with minimal effort. 5. The safety and stability of dividend stocks. While many other investments come with risks, dividend stocks offer a level of safety and stability. We'll dive into why dividend investing is often less volatile than other forms of stock market speculation and why dividend stocks are less prone to drastic price fluctuations. With proper diversification and strategy, dividends can help smooth out the bumps in the road on your wealth-building journey. 6. Marc Lichtenfeld's proven formula for success. Throughout the book, Lichtenfeld lays out his exclusive safe income formula, a strategy designed to minimize risk and maximize your returns. We'll break it down and show you how you can apply it to your own investment approach. By understanding this formula, you'll have the confidence to invest in stocks that can provide reliable and growing dividends. 7. The power of patience. Dividend investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and that's exactly why it's so powerful. Get Rich with Dividends teaches you to think long-term, focusing on the compound growth of your portfolio over time. We'll discuss the importance of patience in investing and why staying the course with your dividend strategy is the key to financial success. 8. Real-life case studies and examples. To help you visualize how dividend investing works in the real world, we'll take a look at some case studies and real-life examples of successful dividend investors. These stories will show you how strategic dividend investing has helped people build substantial wealth, often by doing less than you'd think. Why should you care? In a world of stock market uncertainty, inflation, and fluctuating interest rates, dividends are your ticket to a steady, passive income stream. Whether you want to create extra cash flow for your retirement or simply grow your wealth with minimal effort, dividend investing is one of the safest and most effective methods to achieve these goals. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to start investing in dividend-paying stocks and creating a financial future that works for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn how to make money work for you, passively. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more insights on smart investing and wealth-building strategies. Take action now and start your journey to financial freedom with dividends today.